my general view about all of these things, GPT-3, I won't be specific about the language model or whatnot, T5, GPT-3. My general point of view is that these are very important tools in our toolbox.
Okay.
They make dramatic improvements in our ability to understand language. But, and this kind of ties back to what I mentioned earlier. One thing I realized when I first started productionizing machine learning and putting it in front of people is there's still a lot of work to be done from the model to getting something that is robust and is not going to fail spectacularly. The sort of last mile issue with artificial intelligence. And generally, the way I see this is large language models play this foundational role that we build on top of, but a lot of the value added in enterprise AI companies is on the innovations that happen around them in order to inject, domain-specific knowledge into those models to do things like controlling them in the right ways. My general attitude is like, let's use large language models. They're great, but also let's not forget all of that and the user experience, the things that when you really bring them together is what adds value for AI services.